Come on, Erin, stay. Erin, come here. Here, Erin, come here. Come. Erin, get here. Out here, come on. Out. Come, this way. Hey. Erin, come here. Come on, out, this way. Let's go.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own, with the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold like they did.
Hi, welcome back to the Macville Chronicles.
There's a storm coming, summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us. Storm coming, I am ready for the cold. I'll be better when the summer's gone. Now the wind's blowing, and I'm right back here again. It might take a while, but I understand that I keep thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. Is all I know.
Hi, thanks for watching our short dog walk. If you like this, please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on the Macville Chronicles. Bye now.